You studied English for months. You watched lessons, you learned vocabulary, but one day someone smiles at you and says, "Hello, how are you?" And suddenly your mind goes blank. You know the words, but they disappear. This happens to millions of English learners. Imagine this moment. You walk into a new school or a new job, and someone looks at you and smiles. They say one simple word, "Hello." Suddenly, the room feels less scary. Today, we talk about those powerful little words, hello, hi, and how are you? Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Slow English Learning Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm John. We are very happy you are here learning English with us today.
In this podcast, we speak slowly, clearly, and naturally.
So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning English step by step.
John, I have a question. What is the first English word many students learn?
That is easy. The word hello.
Yes, almost everyone learns hello first.
Hello is a greeting. A greeting is a friendly way to start talking to someone.
One small word can start a conversation.
Exactly. Imagine you walk into your classroom. You see your teacher. You smile and say hello.
That feels polite and friendly.
Yes, greetings make people feel comfortable.
But John, many people say hi instead of hello.
Yes, hi means the same thing.
Then why do people choose one or the other?
Hi sounds more casual. It is common with friends or classmates.
So if I see my best friend, I can say hi.
Yes, and maybe give a big smile too.
Of course.
But in a formal place, like a job interview, hello sounds better.
Ah, so the situation matters.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about a very famous question.
I think I know which one.
How are you?
Yes, one of the most common English questions.
Do people really want a long answer?
Usually no.
Really?
Often it is simply a polite greeting.
So it shows kindness.
Exactly.
Let's try a short conversation. Hi, John. How are you?
Hi, Sarah. I'm good. How about you?
I'm great.
That was easy.
Very easy.
Some common answers are simple. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm great. I'm okay.
These are perfect for English learners.
Yes, simple English is powerful English.
John, can greetings change someone's day?
Yes, they can.
Tell us how.
Imagine someone feels lonely. Then a stranger smiles and says, "Hello, how are you today?"
That small moment feels warm.
Sometimes a greeting reminds someone they are not alone.
That is the power of simple words.
Exactly.
So today we learned 3 basic greetings.
Hello
Hi.
and how are you?
Practice them every day.
Use them with classmates, coworkers, or neighbors.
English grows stronger when you use it.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If this episode helped you, listen again and practice speaking with us.
And share this podcast with another English learner.
Remember, small words can build big friendships.
So today, go out and say,
Hello.
"Hi,
And ask someone,
how are you?"